One of the top selling materials in our webshop is our own brand 6mm thick HPL panels in anthracite. In this video, I'm going to tell you about its advantages and how you can use it. Like all HPL sheets, this panel is made up of resin-compressed wood fibres and is finished with a hard top layer. So you can scarcely bend it. This panel is actually more rigid than hardwood. This particular panel has an attractive satin finish, a lightly textured top layer and is coloured on both sides. Another significant advantage of HPL is that it's resistant to weather and scratches. So, thanks to these properties, this panel is insensitive to moisture, rotting and mould. It's also why HPL panels stay looking good for up to 30 years. And what's more, you hardly ever have to clean HPL because dirt doesn't stick to it. HPL sheets with 6mm thickness are often used for exterior cladding. You can use them as a replacement for wood fascia panels or as a side panel for a dormer window. You'll also often see this sheet used for billboards, and HPL sheets come in a wide range of colours. Do you want to machine HPL? You can saw it, mill it, drill it and paint it as long as you use the right tools. Processing HPL is very similar to processing hardwood. Do you need HPL panels for your next project? Order your HPL in our webshop and we'll cut the sheets to size for you in any shape you like. To find out more about HPL panels, browse our blogs about this material. You'll find the links in the description below this video. For more DIY tips and ideas, please subscribe to our YouTube channel or go to plasticsheetshop.co.uk/blog.